Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick what bags I took with me on my little overnight trip. So very quickly I pulled out my Dooney Bourke Montego duffel bag in the color Caribbean blue, and I have my little bag charm thingy here that I decided to use as a bag charm, and I thought it was perfectly with the logo here on the front of the bag. So in here obviously I just have my clothes. I'm not going to open it up too much, but I just have some clothes in here just for overnight, and it did fit comfortably 2 outfits, and I also have a pair of tall boots in here, and I have them inside of a plastic bag. So I also bought along my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather dop kit in the color red. And what I have in here really quickly, you guys, I absolutely love these dop kits. So I have a bag organizer inside just to kind of keep things clean. And I just really just threw things in here this morning. I have my face cleanser here in a travel size. I have my toothpaste. I have, let's see, some eyeliner and just some moisturizer in a little travel size little container. I have my my BB cream, and let's see, this is some lotion and Lysol. I always take Lysol with me on the go. My deodorant. I have my face powder and just a Wet n Wild vanity palette here, something simple. Let's see, I have my number 177 Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. I have some brushes. Let's see, I have, what is this? This is Black Radiance Toasted Almond blush, and then here I just have a little makeup palette that I have had for years by Mary Kay. As you can see, it is very dirty, but it does the job. I have some makeup brushes and just some mink lipstick, which is a very neutral color. And let's see what else I have. I have just a little head wrap there, and then on the side I just have my brushes, my hair utensils. So absolutely love this little kit, you guys. Absolutely love it. So now let's go to the bag that I decided to carry. I was trying to be matchy at one point, and then I said, you know, screw the matchy. I just want to be able to carry my Kingston Hobo in the color Brown Tomorrow. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this bag, I will put a link in the description bar. So let me just show you what I am carrying really quick. Here it is. I don't carry much in my bags, and I don't have my keys on them right now. But let's see, I have my Dooney Bourke large cosmetics case in the color Brown Tomorrow, and in here I have just my charger. I have my Dooney Bourke mirror. I have some antibacterial wipes. I have another dollar, my Bare Minerals face powder. I have some hand sanitizer and just some lip gloss there. Let's see what else I have. I have just some Tylenol, and I have some Fresh and Go wipes, and then just some other little odds and ends that's in here. So this is a great catch-all. I absolutely love this little cosmetics case. Well, actually this large cosmetics case. Very handy. I wish Dooney would still make these. The inside is this coated cotton, so you can wipe it out if you need to, and you don't have to worry about it getting all nasty. So let's see what else we have in here. I have my large sunglass case, and I have my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Tatum wristlet, and this is in the color saffron. Absolutely love the Tatum. It has a nice, these little tassels here. Beautiful color, and I think it complements the brown Timoro very, very nicely. So let's see, and then I just have my work badge in here, which is my oldie but goodie Dylan leather coin pouch. So that is pretty much it, guys. So again, hobo, Kingston hobo, one of my very favorite hobo style bags. The satchel is still #1 on my list, but I am lately loving hobo and shoulder bags. So here we are, and then you guys know that the Kingston has a very, very smooth zipper pull. It also has this really nice substantial handle. So here we are, guys, the items that I took with me on my little overnight trip. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.